Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is IT Master. Today we are going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi Wiha toolbox. This is actually got from the China Xiaomi store, and as you can see, this is the sealed package. And I like this toolbox. I saw the on AliExpress and I want to have one, so I got it today directly from China. It says Red Dot Award 2017 winner. Let's move on and see what we got inside. Let's cut this off and see what is Xiaomi is giving us. The very nice packaging, as you assume from the Xiaomi. It's very similar to their other tools, and quality of packaging is very nice. Nice presentation. Let's move on. Nothing inside. Oh, that's enjoy work. It says enjoy work, and it's metal. The case is actually it's metal. What is this? This is some kind of card. I think some in Chinese. And let's move on and open. Oh, this is also in Chinese. Warning, disconnect power before using. I don't know what's power about this, because these tools are working without power. But anyway, and this is metal, guys. This box is metallic. Oh, nice. What we got it, the nice set of screwdriver kits. Let's move on. This one is actually the main tool. This is made, again, metal. This part is plastic. This is like using this one. And let's see if there is a torque H1.5, torque XT4. Every tool has its own naming, so you can not mix it. And let's see. Yeah, this is magnetic. You see, it's automatically taking, and it's the nice one because it's very tiny. This is good for the mobile phone disassembly. And this is it, guys. Actually wanted to share with you that this device, these tools from the Xiaomi. And please like, subscribe, put your comments if you want to know more. And there is another one with the automatic motorized screwdriver kit, but this one came to, I think this is 24 pieces, 24 one. And let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 24 in one. This is the good set of for those who do the. This is also has the, actually this is also has the magnetic, so it can hold them and you cannot drop them. That's it, guys. Let's put it together. And this is it. Hope you liked the video. Please hit and subscribe and like. Stay well, stay cool. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.